Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious red bean stew you are all going to love. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's jump right into the recipe. Today I'll be showing you how to make red bean stew with corned beef brisket. You can use any meat of your choice, but this is what I'm using today. So I place it into some water and we'll boil this for about 15 minutes to remove some of the salt. Then to a preheated pot, I did add some oil and I'll go in with my aromatics, onions, celery, bell peppers, and garlic. We'll saute these for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we'll add our red bean in here. Now, I did not soak my red bean, so I know it's going to take forever to cook. If you have time to soak your bean, soak it and it will cook faster. After we add that in there, we'll go in with our corned beef brisket. I drained the water after it was done boiling and give it a rinse. Now we'll add it in here. Now you can use any meat of your choice, but preferably stew peas is better when you add some kind of smoked meat or salted meat to it. So here I have some seasoning, garlic and onion powder, some bouillon, black pepper, mushroom seasoning, Tony's Creole seasoning, and I think I had complete in there. So you see me mixed all the seasoning together and then I added about 2 tablespoons. Then I went in with some green seasoning. And we're going to add some thyme and 2 bay leaves. We'll cover this and allow it to simmer on medium-low heat until the beans and the meat is nice and tender. While our pot is bubbling, let's take this time to shout out Callie J from Callie J's Kitchen. If you're looking for authentic, creative Jamaican dishes, this is the channel you need to be at. She is awesome. I will leave her link down in my description box so you can check her out. Go on over there, show her some love, and just support, support my girl. After about 2.5 hours, let's check the pot, guys. When I tell you I was so hungry and this take forever to cook. I don't know who tell me to go and cook this particular dish because it takes so long. So there you see me checking the peas and it's tender. Now we'll go in with some fresh coconut milk and we'll add the rest of our seasoning. We will also add some aromatics in here to freshen up the pot. And we will sit the lid on and allow this to go for about, let's say 30 minutes more. We just want everything to simmer in that coconut milk and thicken up. And then we'll be ready to plate. After about 30 minutes, this is finally done. It looks and smells absolutely divine. Now, if you're Jamaican, I know you want to add some spinners to this. You can go right ahead. But this is it for me. I will serve it just as it is. I like to leave a generous amount of gravy in my stew peas because if you know anything about stew peas, you know that once it cools down, it thickens up and all that gravy disappears. I don't like that. I like to leave enough so I'll have it in the end. And here it is, guys. I did serve it up with some white rice and fried catfish. Don't worry, the catfish on the side is just a southern thing. My husband loves his southern food, so in my house we have like a mixture of Caribbean and American food. I could not wait. I was digging into the fish just as it was done, and this meal was so enjoyable. It was delicious and I can't wait for you all to give it a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients down in my description box and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support and as always, enjoy.